In this video, I'll show you how to report a TikTok live. Find the live that you'd like to report. Then what you want to do is press and hold on the middle of the screen so that this menu appears. You'll see there is a report button with a flag icon to the left of it. Press on that. And then that'll bring up all the different reasons that you can report someone for. So, for example, if they were pretending to be someone and you wanted to report them for that, TikTok would ask you to find the account being impersonated. So, and if you chose fraud and scams, TikTok would ask you to provide more details. So it depends on what you're reporting the TikTok live for. We'll select live shopping reports, and then it asks you for more detail, and it asks you for a description of up to 200 characters, and then you press the submit button at the bottom, and then TikTok will give you the option to hide the live and thank you for reporting it. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.